So after you pull the screw out and put that T in there, you want to get this where, make sure you know where that screw came from. If it went this way, make sure it goes that way, this way, up and down, whichever way it came out, try to line it up. You're not supposed to plug them from here over or here over. You have to do it in the middle. You do it over here, get a knot on the side or a bubble. So that's the plug. You want to put a little bit of Vaseline or grease on it. And then you just gotta play with it for a while. Once you get this down in there, spin it 3-4 times, pull it out.
Earlier, I don't need the gaskets now. He's just gonna warn the other one out because he says it's supposed to be broke.
Cut it off.
37. I don't want to call him. I'm just letting you know.
After you get it all plugged, then get the plug cut off. Take a little bit of soapy water. Put it on there and make sure it doesn't bubble up. Air it up, put the tire back on, and you're good to go. Hope y'all enjoyed.